Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today I thought I'd do something fun, and I've seen a lot of guys on the internet do videos about the cheapest drill press from Amazon. And the surprising thing was the reviews were not bad. And I needed another drill press, and I decided to do something fun. So today we're gonna review the cheapest drill press purchased from Amazon. And I want to say it was like 75 bucks, but I'll post it in the video. Anyway, let's open this up and see if it's worth what everybody says it is. Right off the bat, the packaging was pretty good, and all the parts were there. A lot of times when I buy Chinese stuff, I worry about the bolt threads because that's usually a hiccup in their manufacturing. But the threads that were there, everything worked really good, and I basically just put this thing together. There's only 4 bolts to put the whole thing together, so it was pretty easy. Yeah, I always worry about the threads, but these things tightened up really good, and the unit was smaller than I anticipated. I for some reason I was thinking it would be a little bigger, but this is the cheapest drill press on Amazon, and I'm gonna punish this thing and see what happens. This is just a fun video to, test out something. So right there, I press on the chuck, and I have a project. I'm working on my log trailer, and I have to drill some 1 3/4 holes so that I can weld on some spindles. And I thought, boy, that's gonna punish this drill press. So I decided to clamp it down to my T-track and see what trouble we can get into. Right off the bat, no fault of the drill press. My drill bits, I was having trouble with the pilot bit on this hole saw, and I had to change that out. It's definitely underpowered for this little project that I'm doing, but I thought, that's a good test for a cheap drill press, is to see if you can drill some big holes without burning up the drill press. And it obviously it stopped a couple times. The belt slipped when I was pushing too hard, but for the most part, I don't even think my drill bit's that sharp actually. But for the most part, it went through, which was surprising, and it did a decent job of it. So like I said, would I buy this one again? No, because there's no reason to have one this small. I really should have bought the next size up, but it was kind of a fun game, like to see, what's the cheapest drill press on Amazon, what's it like? And it actually wasn't that bad. I was just using it for what it wasn't. It's not intended to use it like this. And yeah, this is entertainment purposes only. So right here, I'm drilling the second side of this steel beam, and with basically the cheapest drill press on Amazon, and it's actually doing it. I had to really take my time though. It would bog down pretty easy. I've never bought wind products before, but I have seen quite a few of them on the internet. That's why I decided just to try this out. I'm not a big fan of Chinese products, but like I said, I thought this would be fun. And there's the hole. Thanks for watching this episode of Outlaw Woodworking. Cheapest drill press on Amazon. Now, would I buy this again? No. Well, I think it's a really good product for the money. And I'm not going to send this one back because it actually, I put it to the test by drilling these big holes through this steel. But the truth is that this is a really good product for small projects. And I think that's why I'm going to keep it. And I might look into their bigger unit and see if I might try that out. This one's definitely a good little machine for the money. Would I buy it again? Like I said, no. I would buy a bigger one. But this was the cheapest drill press on Amazon, so take it for what it is. It's made in China, and they mass produce these, and yeah. But if you have a little hobby shop and you're doing small things, not big steel things, but if you're doing small things, I think this could be a good machine for the money, especially, if you're on a budget. And most of us most of us are on a budget. This could be the machine for you. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.